Today I'm talking about a pretty twins oil. So if you're interested in using this oil, please stay tuned. Pretty twin oil has been out for a long period of time now, but nobody's really paying interest on it. It's a repair oil. It's really a repair oil. It contains turmeric. It can help with the scars, skin discoloration, white patches, and all the rest. And you can easily mix it with your body lotion, which is very good. Or you can also use it on its own if you don't want to start mixing. If you can use it on its own, and it will really do an amazing job for you. This Pretty Twins is a whitening oil that can help you to repair your skin. For example, if you have used a lightening product before that might have damaged your skin, this oil can help you to wear it back to normal. It's a very good active repair oil. So that's all I have to say. Please don't forget to subscribe.